So this is going to be a slower video. This is an update on launching Cashflow Hero. This probably won't go viral, but I will tell you this is me being real and authentic and just having a moment on camera. And so this is giving me an update and, sort of holding myself accountable to what we're trying to do with Cashflow Hero. And in case you don't know, I am an entrepreneur. I've been in Airbnb. I've been in real estate for almost 10 years now. And we've made millions of dollars on Airbnb. It's been great. And right now I'm financially free. I'm traveling the world. So it's been also awesome to do all of that. And we started a program last year to help people actually start their own Airbnb. Now we've been doing things privately for a while. We've helped people, a couple dozen people, but we actually started a program. I started advertising that program to help people. And so this is me, I suppose, giving sort of an update on what that's been like and things I've learned. And, I'm an entrepreneur through and through. But I think it's refreshing when you start something new to remind yourself that the skills don't necessarily transfer over all the time, right? Like, I'm good at Airbnb, I'm good at real estate, good at finding deals, good at negotiating. But once you get over into education, right, now you have to learn how to market again. Now you have to learn how to do sales, and now you have to learn how to do client success, for example. And so when we launched the program last year, we had a goal to get our first 10 students. That's our goal, right? And luckily, we were able to find and close with some students. And our promise is to find your profitable location. That's our guarantee within 90 days. Now, we know that we can do that because we've done it for ourselves time and time again. We know that we can find a profitable location like that because we have a great system and we know what we're doing. And we have a scalable system, which is great. And we were able to do that for our first 2 clients. Before the end of the year, they were able to close. They were able to find their first location. One of them is still waiting to close on their location. But this is a success story for 2 people that we started this program and it's actually working. Now, when I first started, of course, we're already excited and we know the work that needs to be done. We're messaging people every day. We're doing maybe 50 people outreach a day. Maybe I think we should do more. But we're reaching out to about 50 people a day and seeing how many people can join the Facebook group. And then from the Facebook group, we're educating people on what we do. And then once people are ready to take the next step, we help people to find funding to launch their program, show people how to walk through from LLC all the way until the end, which is getting their listing up, getting their photos up, getting their first people in, and actually showing them how to scale and automate a lot of the processes. So it's been really good. And one of the best things I think about this program is that we can guarantee income, which I think a lot of programs can't, right? Even college doesn't guarantee that you'll make X amount once you graduate, but we do. So then it's a very clear ROI value proposition, which is that you invest this, you're going to break even by this amount because you've done it several times. And once you break even, you have made your money back and you get to keep the asset and you get to keep scaling and you have the information that you can keep using repetitively. This is really good. And I didn't want to do a program where, for example, I just sold a course that didn't have much value, right? I didn't want to just say, hey, this is the information, go use it. And I didn't want to give information that you could just go find on YouTube either, because I want to be honest, all right? And so being honest with myself, I didn't also want to start a program too early because I think there are a lot of people who they get maybe 3 properties, right? And they go ahead and say, oh, I've made 3 properties. Let me switch over to teaching because I can make more money teaching. Now, that is true. Most people will acknowledge that you can make a lot more money teaching. And it's very clear why. Because the margins on teaching are nearly 100%. Right? Once you create the course, for example, you don't need to recreate the course and fulfillment is very cheap. So then your profit margins are something like 90%. Or more, versus for real estate, or profit margins are maybe between 40 and 50%, which is good. Great profit margins, right? That's what we do. But teaching is much more profitable. And while you're like, for example, break even, we've already hit break even with 2 students. We've already hit it, but it would take much longer to hit break even with scaling real estate, right? I was in real estate for 2 years And maybe it was at the end of year 2 that I started making money. Not so with teaching. So I understand why people switch to teaching so early, but I didn't want to. I wanted to make sure that I knew what I was talking about before I started teaching. This is me being intellectually honest, right? I have my master's. I have my bachelor's. I'm a pretty smart guy, right? I'm not some guy that didn't graduate high school and figure it out. Not that that's a problem, but I'm just showing you that I have gone through the process and I know what it's like to do the formal education and to do the formal job and etc. So I'm not someone that doesn't understand the full dynamic of the working class economy, right? So to be honest, what I will say is that we've gotten to a point where we know what we're talking about so much that it becomes boring. It's becoming predictable. And I think once we got to that point, we got through 2020, we scaled in 2020 while most people were shrinking. And once we got to that point where it was becoming boring and repetitive, we knew that now we can actually launch a program. And so the update on that is since launching the program, we're actually seeing success publicly, not just privately, because we've helped people. I've helped people in India, places I've never seen. I've helped people in Zimbabwe. I've helped people in Zambia. I've helped people in England. I've helped people in Jamaica. I've helped people in Canada, multiple US states, Washington, California, Texas, Florida, New York, New Jersey, and I'm sure there's more I'm forgetting. Virginia. My point to you is that our system works. The things that we teach work because what you can't take away from us is that we've spent hours learning. It's not just about learning Airbnb. It's about learning photography. It's about learning customer service, studying customer service. It's about studying hospitality, studying a price strategy, studying systemization, studying leadership, studying how to hire great people, studying communication, studying consumer psychology. These are things that once you have the knowledge, then it becomes something that you can then, that is not something that you can just find in a book, right? There's no one book that will teach you pricing strategy and consumer psychology and hospitality. It doesn't exist. But you pull them all together, and then that's what makes you an expert in a field. And because we spent the years doing that, now we actually have value to give. And I think that that's something I really, really am proud of. And that's why I believe in Cashflow Hero so much. So this is my update. I just wanted to give you that, which is I'm very proud of the first 2 students that we have. I'm very excited. I know that a couple more are going to join us. We've had dozens of students privately, but we've never had this publicly. And so officially going through the Cashflow Hero program and taking and seeing their success, that we know that we can scale something that works. And these are not people that are close to us, right? These are strangers that will have taken our program and seen success. That's awesome, right? And that makes me really happy because, you know, at first it was word of mouth. You had to know me or you had to know someone I knew to try to work with me. That's how it was for many years. But now we actually have people that don't know us, that believe in what we're doing, have done it, and are seeing their success. And that's awesome. So, yeah, I think that's all of the updates I have today. Yeah. If you want more of this content, if you want to follow this journey, by the way, please make sure that you subscribe. But also, hey, there's a video right here that YouTube thinks you might like. So feel free to check out that video, all right? I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.